Good morning, YouTubers. It is Friday morning, guys. Yes, Friday morning. I'm getting confused on my days. Okay, today's plans are that guy who bought the washer and dryer off me yesterday for $350. I had it delivered for him. Remember I told you put the dryer upside down in his car with the dryer front door facing the bottom, so you got all the weight of the drum pulling forward and the pulley pulling forward and the belt pulling forward. So now he's plugged it in. It says it's got a big squeaking problem, like squeak, 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 squeak. So something went off kiltered. I told him that in a message. I said, listen, you put the thing upside down. I wasn't gonna say anything so you to move it back out, but I should have said something. So washer works fine, everything's good. Dryer works, just squeaking a lot because he's put it upside down and he's moved something. Something's moved. Like, I don't understand. How do people think of their brains? Right? It's one of these dryers. I'll show you. You say it's this dryer here. One of these dryers. He's put this part down, upside down. So he's got the whole drum, everything coming forward, leaning forward. And there's a pulley there with a belt. And that's all lined up. So he's got the whole drum. What shifts, how the drum shifts. Like that, the whole drum. So it's an easy fix. I don't know if I just swap another dryer with him, just swap it out, or go there and check the rollers and the pulley and everything. So I don't really have time to take that thing apart. I got a lot of people coming today. So I might just swap out another one, give him another one, get rid of it. Or go there and waste my time pulling it all apart again and trying to fix it. And I got people. It would maybe take me about an hour, about 35 minutes to get there. I'm gonna just give him another one, that's all. All right, another day. Recording. I'm just gonna check this one quick, make sure it's up and running good. And I thought today I was gonna go to the beach. Who knew? Since these guys here, I'm just gonna do a quick check. Make sure he's okay. I know I've checked these before, but you never know, right? Don't want to get there and have problems with this one and go back there again. The other one, I'll just take it back and then fix it when in my own time. And I don't have the time today. I must open it up right up. Okay, I'm going to check everything in the back. I'm going to open the front off here. I'm going to check the belt, everything. Filter's nice and clean. Screwdriver. Before we send it, guys. To lift the lid up, you gotta remove these two screws here. We got those out of the way. Open the lid up here, guys. There's two clips on both sides. You don't want to get the right bottom. You want to get sort of in the middle. I need two hands for this. I'll check these guys here. Let's get a view here. I don't know if it's pointing there. Let me see here. I think you guys are looking at the dryer. Maybe a view here. Alright. chain for this, but I'll get the chain back in place. These guys, a chain like this. Alright, that's what I normally do. If you have a wall, you clean it against a wall. You don't want it to go right back or you snap it right out. So I just hook a chain on from here into that hole over there. And we'll check it out. Jeez, we'll clean it a little bit too. I didn't see that. So we'll spin the drum this way. Listen for any squeaking noise. She sounds smooth, right? Make sure your felt is good in the back, otherwise you'll lose hot air if there's a gap in between. Yeah, she's smooth. She's smooth. A little bit of a cleaning, and we'll test all the components, guys. Give it a little wipe here. Hopefully today is a good day. Hopefully today is a good day. Whoa, almost lost my lid. Oh my God. Gotta hold it one hand for now. Yeah, if the lid falls back, what you end up doing, you end up bending all the brackets, these here, and then it won't close properly, right? Just gonna get a little cleaning here. See if we can hook her back on. You're gonna stay. You're gonna stay. Okay. Getting her clean, getting her done, getting her done. Okay. I guess we can put the lid back down. And then we'll check the components. Everything here looks okay. Oh, there we go. Almost lost her. Let's give her another spin. Okay, she's good. Let's close this lid here. Perfect. Testing. The heater coil, makes it good. We'll check for ground, make sure it's not grounded out. Nope. Okay, that's good. Check this one here. Good. This one down here. That is good. Back on. Put this back on. Okay, the heater is good and all it works. We'll check this one here. Fan thermal. Good. Shut this one down here. That is good. All right, one up here. That is good. Alright, everything checks out good. Good dryer. Just gonna replace that plastic piece here. These pieces here, just a plastic thing. Give it a wipe in here. Checks out. That's it. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if the light works, maybe. Okay, guys. So we did this. This timer should still be good. Okay. That's it. We're gonna put it back together now, guys. Just wanted to show you guys basic dryer. Right, a squeaking noise, grinding noise. It would be your pulley. All right, see the wheel there? Belt sits on that. What happens when the belt comes off? Sometimes the end snaps, the belt pops off. This pulley goes all the way backwards. It hits the kill switch, and your dryer is not working no more. That would happen. And here's your wheels here. They're not bearing wheels. They just sit on the shaft, and they spin very smoothly. These are Kenmore, Whirlpool have this, all kinds, and there's their belt. So that would be a basic kit for anything made by Whirlpool dryer. There you go, guys. And what holds these pulleys here are these little clips here. I hope you can see it. They go on the spindle, then these little clips here, just snap over it like that. That's it. The pulley is easy installation. It just slides into a cut groove and pulls all the way back and hook a belt on it. There you go. Basic dryer tune-up kit for squeaky dryers. Anything made by Whirlpool. Kenmore, anything. Whirlpool, Roper. This one here. So it's probably one of those parts in that dryer that messed up or something, but I don't have the time to open it up and replace all that, so I'm just gonna swap it out with a Whirlpool. He's got a nice Kenmore, same thing, push start. So that's it. Now I'm gonna phone my people are supposed to show up and see where are they. All right, we're loaded, ready to go. All right, so the guy said 3 o'clock he's coming for the fridge, so we'll see if he shows up. Recording with the thumbstick. We got a new gizmo. How's that look, guys? We're just waiting here in the church parking lot. Guy's not home yet, 1 o'clock, so I have some time to kill. He lives right there behind me, that house. And we got the dryer in the truck. And we'll just wait here and kill some time. This is my new gizmo stick, whatever you call these things. So, just checking it out. See how it looks. Well, we'll just wait here, I guess. Kill some time. Just some time. Okay, we're back. This is the dryer he bought off me. Nice dryer, really nice looking dryer. Like brand new. She's like brand new. Very nice. So it's an easy, simple fix. I just didn't have time because I got someone coming for the fridge, so I had to just grab and give him another one. I see he scraped it here on the sides. He was telling me, oh, this one here has got a little bit of scratches on it. Just had a couple of scratches here. And he scratched the shit out of this one. I didn't see it. She said, well, you don't worry about it because this was mint. He scraped the whole side. Things happen when you move appliances, right? I'm not even saying anything. But anyways, let's get this inside. Guy's on his way for that fridge. And hopefully it sells. I'll be so happy to get rid of it. Got more space here. We'll put that here. Once he's gone, we'll work on this. We'll find out what the cause is of making a noise. Alright, stay tuned, guys. It's a dang deal. Alright, let the guy out now. Oh, he's coming. You don't know, it's his friend's trailer doesn't know how to get out and drive it. So you got lots of space here. You can park it. Maybe I gotta go help him out. Oh shit, his flag is sticking out. Alright, you can see, that's just the flag sticking out of the trailer now. It's gonna go blow off. That was on the inside. Can I get out of here? Sure you can. What's wrong with you, buddy? Not that big of a trailer. Alright, that's it, guys. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 mulas, guys. Gotta like that one. I think that deserves a like, guys. A free fridge. I mean, that deserves a like. Free fridge. Sold in, when was it? 3 days? About 3 days. 600 bucks. So give it a thumbs up for me, guys. Like and subscribe. Carmack1. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna work on this. Take it apart. Let's see what's wrong with this dryer. Why did it cost me problems? Why is she squeaking? Let's find out. Let's take her apart and find out why she's squeaking. First of all, I'm gonna pull this out. A bit of length, so you used it a little bit. When I remove the 2 screws, and I'll make you guys can see, maybe bring it closer. Let me see if you guys are not seeing the action here. Oh, there we go. Set sheets. Okay, 2 screws here for the vent. Pop this one out. Screws. I didn't do that. I don't know who did that. I only have different screws. You don't know. Alright, there we go. Okay. 2 screws from the vent are removed. Put them there. The next thing we do, you guys should know, we pop the lid. Let's get the chain ready, right? We don't have a wall. Stick these on. Grab yourself a chain. Pop it from here. 1. Right here. There you go. Lift her up. Hook your chain up. Here. Bring the lid back. This one might hold. Just in case the wind blows her. Stay here or what? Okay, let's spin the drum, see what we can hear. I don't really hear much. Not weird. Maybe she's fixed. I doubt it. So let's spin her on the inside. I don't hear anything. She's a little bit hard to spin. That's about it. But okay, let's take her apart. I'm gonna remove the drum. Get it to the back rollers there. That's good there. Okay, disconnect the door switch right here. Screwdriver. I'm gonna take the door off. Screw here. I'll show you guys in a sec. I find my bit right here. Show what I'm removing here. On this corner here, you got 1 screw on the inside there. Oh, you got another one over here on this side, and there's your door switch you disconnect. Alright, so let's take that apart. Put you guys down here. Oh no! You piece of crap. Make sure we tie this. Let me do this. screw or something. It's windy, that's why she didn't stay. I'm gonna screw her over here. I don't really have a hook on this side. I'll just bolt her here. She'll stay here. We're good now. I got a hook on that side, and I got a hook for this side. Alright, so let's pop these two screws out here. Very easy to do this job, guys. Very easy. Very simple fix. Anybody can do this. It's also good to have a magnetized thing so your screws don't drop in the dryer. Okay. Door's coming apart as you can see. Alright, now I'm going to lift the drum up a bit and pull the door off. Should come right out anyways. It's got like clips here. Let me see here. Put the guy down for a second, pull that door off first. Come on. Buggered up like that. There's one. It's never been open, that's why. Close the door. Alright. On the bottom here, it just clips what it sets into. And the bottom two bottoms. Now you got the door off. Make sure your felt is good. Alright. Put the door on the side here. There's the door. Here's the drum. This ain't that old. Ain't that old. Yeah. She's still connected inside there. The belt's connected to the pulley. So we'll find out what's going on here. Why are we getting the squeaky noise? So we're gonna go underneath. I don't know if I got my pad here. Hang on a sec. I don't want to ruin my knees even though they're already shot. See, I don't want to do this at this place. That's why I decided to take it home and do it. So I was going to take that tripod here. Show you what I do down here. Here's your pulley here. Take your finger and the motor here. Alright. Spin around the motor. Hang on. Yeah, lift this with your shoulder. I use my arm here to lift the drum up. Alright, hang on. And just spin it around the motor as you're lifting the drum up with your arm. Okay, there's your pulley out. Alright, now you should get the drum right out. Easy way to get the drum out. Grab it from the belt and lift it right up. Lift it from the belt. Two hands have been good, but I'm trying to show you guys. Come on. Alright. Drums out. Okay, now we're here. That's all there is. Two wheels, pulley wheels, and a pulley for the belt. So, let's spin these wheels, see what happens. That is not good. That's okay. It's not making a noise. But listen to this one here. That's the problem, guys. That's it. An easy fix. We'll just change that pulley. We'll change both. Alright. I'm gonna see if I can get the video the guy sent me where it's making a noise. He actually sent me a video so you guys can see what noise it was making, right? That's it. That's it. We'll fix that now. So we'll pop this off. There's those clips. Just got two small plastic clips. You can do it by hand or you can get a screwdriver. I can do them by hand usually. go. Remember those plastic clips? Pull the wheel off. There's the wheel. Alright, this one here is screwed in here. This one here has like those press-on caps. So we'll just get some pliers for that one there. Now it's getting hotter. We'll do that screw. Make it easier to take the screw off. This bar here is just a support bar to hold up the drum. One screw holds this. Pull that out. Pull the cap out. It should just wiggle off. That's what holds that wheel there. Forgot what you call these. Take the wheel off. Wow, she's pretty dried. I actually know what's wrong here. Well, it's not the spindle. I was hoping not. That would be a pain in the ass. But if you look at the wheels here, the hole's wider. It's grounded itself down, I'm saying. Let's try this one. That fits nicer. Nice and tight. That was from this side here. Put this one back on. The hole's bigger. Garbage. Okay, I'm gonna clean them and grease them up. I don't know if I got any grease left. I'm hoping these ones fit. That's the other package here. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, beautiful. Listen to that. Beautiful. These are more skinnier though, see? I wonder if that's going to be a problem. Because I'll show you where they sit on the drum. There's another one here. Alright. You gotta set right in here. Where are these guys? So it sets right in there and it rolls like this on your drum. Roll and roll. Thousands of miles. That's why they wear. So I think they're gonna fit. As long as they're the same angle size. Actually, they're better wheels than this cheap crap. Look what they give you. Alright, gotta find some grease. Give me a sec. Okay, we got this stuff here. This is drum brake grease. But it's good stuff. Silicone, that's what you want. So we'll just take some of this stuff here, guys. Grease them before you put them back on. A nice chunk of grease here. That. Spread it around your finger. Lasts for another 20 years. Get your wheel. Look at that, so beautiful. Some on the edge. Some more grease here. And on this one here. Some good grease. Alright. Let's get the other wheel on. That's it. Alright. Let me wipe my hands. Cloth here. So, we know the dryer is working. I said, how's the dryer working? Oh, the dryer is wonderful. I said, does it have heat? Oh yeah, heat, beautiful. Just makes a noise. But we're gonna fix her. There's the other pulley I had in the bag. We'll inspect that too, make sure that's okay. I was gonna find that rubber piece I had here. You know, maybe I'll change it. Oh, here it is, right here. You just put that right over it. That's it. Snaps on. Just snap it in there. All right. There she is, snapped on. So the wheel ain't gonna come out. long as that is in there, it's good to go. This one here, I'm gonna put the support bar back on here. I'm gonna put this in here, like that. I'm gonna put the snap washer, whatever you want to call this thing here. Oh, wrong way. That's in. Put the screw back down in the hole here. You guys can see. Let me get the screw back, whatever it was. There. You guys can see, but I can't see. Oh, come on. Without my glasses. Tight. Make sure she's in there good. That's it. Put the drum back on. We're good to go. Well, let's make sure the pulley's okay. Make sure the pulley's okay. Won't expect it. All you gotta do with this thing here is spin it. Looks like the belt's been rubbing here on the sides. Oh no, that's just dirt. Just basically spin it. It's not broken, the edges are not broken or anything like that, so it's good. That just snaps on like this. And just push it. Like that, just like that. I think I got it in the right slot. Maybe they're one of those slots. I forgot what slot it was. We'll find out sooner or later when we put the belt back on. Okay, that's it. We'll inspect the belt. The belt's like new. Belt's like in new condition. And that's it, guys. All you do now is pick up the drum up with the belt, bring it in, set it right on top of the rollers. All right. Just pull the rollers out a bit so you can set on the rollers there. Give me a hand. Give me a sec. Put the drum back on. Alright, we got the drum on, got the belt on. There's the tricky part, to get the door back on and to hold the drum at the same time to get it into this groove here. I can't show these guys because it's a bit of 2 hands for this job. Oh my god, okay. This is gonna be a little bit tricky for these guys. These clips keep falling out, right? And they go in between there for the screw to go in. So you put them back. But I got it up, got the drum on one side hooked up. Hook up the other side and we'll spin it and see what happens. Alright guys, that's it. Door's back on. I said hook up the clip there, bring her back down, and that's it. We'll give it a spin now. We'll get the new wheels on. Hear any noise? No, she's smooth as pie. And once you spin it a few times, the belt will line up with the pulley, so you don't have to worry about it. If it's off like that, she'll line up. Spinner. Spinner. So once you spin her, you know it's on the pulleys here. That's it, guys. I'll put it together and I'll answer my messages on my phone that's going off. There's a message here from my stainless steel fridge. Can you flexible on the price? I said from 500, you know what? I'll do 450. Last price. Take it or leave it. Alright, this one's done. Let me put it back together. It's getting warm out now. So that's it. And basically all Whirlpool Kenmores are the same. They're basically the same. And make sure your felt is right up against there, otherwise you lose hot warm air. We could put a little bit of grease here if we wanted to make it not as rough. I don't know. Alright. And we are done. It's dirty the filter. We'll clean that off quick. Done. I'll pick that up after, otherwise I'll get thrown out of here. Put the filter back in. And that's it. Ready to put up for sale. Push to start. And that's how you do it, guys. That is how you do it. Alright, I'm done. Like and subscribe, guys. There's a guy on my channel that comments all the time, and I checked out his channel. He's into radios, and he's got a nice setup, beautiful setup. This is my booth radio, whatever you call this here. It works pretty good, but it's not the greatest. I like scanners, but this does come in sometimes. I thought I'd show him it. This is it. I paid $100 for this, and the guy set it up for me, programmed it for me. So it does pick up. We'll see if it picks up anything now here in Stony Creek when I'm waiting here for the customers. We'll see what happens. Overdose? Possible overdose.
Victoria Base 025, code 3 transfer change, goes to Second Valley. Victoria Base 2025, back page, code 3 transfer, code 3.
Idiots. This message. Hamilton Service sending you an alert as you have your second dose vaccine appointment booked in the months ahead to ensure you have your strong protection against COVID-19.
Norfolk Base, code 4, main adapter, code 4.
Okay, so to have your second dose, they gave me my second dose was 3 months after my first. Now they're telling me, hang on.
2003 backup page, 16 Hill Park, main and sunset. Short of breath with abdominal pain.
Okay, shut that off for a second. Another time it's important, recommended you get your second dose as soon as possible, 28 days after your first dose. Now you saying that shit to me? First they're saying you're not gonna get the second dose for 3-4 months. Now they're telling you 28 days. It's been past 28 days. Wow. That's stupid, eh? How the government works. Oh, your next dose is in 4 months. Now they're telling me it's important in 28 days. Well, it's past 28 days now. What's wrong now? Am I not gonna work now? Crazy shit.